Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we break down the best tools, gadgets, and office supplies so you don't have to. And today, we're looking at what is, without question, the best black dot stickers you can buy right now. The 1400 PC's Black Circle Dot Stickers by Ouzoustate. Let's get right into it. At first glance, you might think stickers are pretty basic. But if you've ever worked in an office, organized inventory, planned events, or even labeled your kids' school supplies, you know that the right sticker makes all the difference. And Ouzoustate delivers that difference in a sleek, simple, and incredibly useful product. These are 3/4 inch round stickers. Just the right size to be highly visible without overwhelming the item you stick them on. You get 1400 of them in one pack, which is pretty generous. That's 28 sheets with 50 stickers each, giving you plenty of room to work on large or ongoing projects. The black color is deep and consistent. It's not that faded gray you sometimes get with low-quality stickers. This is bold, clean black that really stands out whether you're using it on file folders, bins, shelves, or wall calendars. The color is solid across every single dot, and the printing is perfectly uniform, no smudges or faded spots. That's where these stickers shine even more. They're made from high-quality paper with a strong, reliable adhesive that sticks well to most surfaces: paper, plastic, glass, cardboard, even some fabrics. And while the adhesive is strong, it's not overly aggressive. If you need to peel one off and reposition it, you can usually do so without tearing the sticker or leaving behind any residue. Now let's talk usability. The peel-off design is super simple. The backing paper is cut in a way that makes each dot easy to remove, even if you don't have long nails or a lot of patience. No struggling, no wasted stickers. Just clean, fast peeling every time. What really makes this product shine, though, is versatility. You can use these black dots for color coding, even though they're monochrome. They're great for designating completed tasks, marking status updates, or simply indicating special items in a sea of colored labels. Teachers love them for tracking progress. Artists use them for creating patterns or accenting work, and small businesses rely on them for barcoding, pricing, and organizing inventory. You can also write on them easily with a regular pen or fine point Sharpie. The surface doesn't smudge and it holds ink well, which is surprisingly rare with some stickers out there. This makes them even more useful for anyone who needs to add numbers, names, or quick codes. They're also a great tool for parents or anyone working with kids. These are perfect. They're also great for crafts, clean edges, bold color, and easy to apply. The packaging is compact and minimal, easy to store in a drawer or bag without it getting bent or damaged. You can pull a sheet out quickly and easily without the others sticking or curling. So here's the bottom line. If you need reliable, sleek, highly functional black dot stickers, the Ouzoustate 1400 PC's pack is absolutely the one to go with. The quality is excellent, the adhesive is just right, and the quantity ensures you won't run out anytime soon. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you've used these or if you've got another product you think deserves a spot on this channel. Until next time, stay organized, stay efficient, and keep it smart.